super special because this is something which I started personally applying into my life 2 to 3 years back. I cannot explain how much of a massive difference it has on my life, how it impacted the way that I look at situations, the way that I deal with situations, my thought process, the way I reciprocate to my problems or difficulties, obstacles. Everything changed. Me as a whole person changed after I started practicing this. So training your brain, of course, is not an easy task. You do need to put in effort, but the easiest way that I'm going to tell you today is by... So let's start first by a famous quote written by a Roman poet called Horace, if I'm pronouncing it right. This quote is something which my dad keeps on repeating it almost every single day. It is, rule your mind or it will rule you. So first things first, let's understand by how this CPU works and how can we reprogram the entire data. Now that we have an immense amount of data, you might be 13, 14, 15, 16, 60, 50, 30, whatever age, itna sara data collect kar liya, and that is the reason how we react to certain things or how we perceive things and how we face things in our life. ये पूरा data उसी का ज़िम्मेदार है. Let's find out if we can reprogram it or not. So our brain is basically a pattern box. Anything that we are unaware of gets registered once it is feeded in, and it gets sealed, and that is how we start looking at things, and that is how we start perceiving things in our life. For example, kids don't have any reference at all. So when they see a cockroach, they don't know कि उसके साथ दोस्ती करनी है, or you're supposed to kill him, or you're supposed to... They don't have any reference at all. But when they see their mother jumping, looking at the cockroach, उनके दिमाग में क्या feed in होता है? That is something to be scared of. The fear is automatically registered looking at something. Now that fear that they have registered looking at their mother getting scared of a cockroach is going to stay with them throughout their lives until and unless they try to reprogram their thought process. Right? So let me demonstrate by the help of this little guy. So supposedly this is our brain and we are feeding in thoughts. Like, I have a fear of public speaking. I'm sorry that you can't see this. Thought registered. One should be scared in the dark. I am not as pretty as she is. I'm never going to be good enough. I can never be that rich. Ghosts exist even if I haven't seen them ever. I can never talk to a girl confidently. So now what we have here is numerous amounts of inputs and registrations what I have received, which might not be the reality, but this is how I've started perceiving things and believing in things because that is what I've heard, seen or sometimes felt, but this might not be the reality. And can we reprogram this? Yes! So what we do is we start adding positive inputs instead of these inputs and we start reprogramming our brain. So what happens to this data is still there. You can't snap like and delete everything in our brain, but what we can do is we can add in positive inputs every single day. Remember, repetition is the key. We can add in positive inputs in this CPU and this data will slowly start going into recycle bin and eventually get deleted. So what we start now is we start adding positive inputs and positive suggestions to this CPU. So let's say I am becoming mentally fit day by day. I am confident. I love myself. I am capable to handle myself in different situations. I can control my thoughts and choices. I am strong. I am attracting wealth. And so on. So what you do is you add in your personalized affirmations that might be regarding your personal life or your professional life or how you see yourself down the line in next 5 years. You keep on affirming them so much so that you actually receive what you've affirmed, which is basically called manifestation. Remember that repetition is the key to train your brain, and just like physical fitness, mental fitness is also important, and just like physical fitness, mental fitness will also require a little time. Here are a few tips if you are a visual person. Stick it somewhere in your room, write it down on a piece of paper or save it as a screensaver in your phone, or you can also put up charts or pictures or printouts of the goals that you want to achieve or the kind of person that you want to become. People who are auditory, what you can do is you can record the affirmations in your own voice and then listen to them whenever and wherever that you want to, while you're driving, morning walk, or any time that you're comfortable with. So for people who are kinesthetic, what you need to do is you need to act upon it, read the affirmation out loud or write it down on a piece of paper, and then supposedly you have this new resolution that you want to quit smoking. So when someone offers you a cigarette, you say, no thank you, I'm a non-smoker and I'm starting to live a healthy life. This is going to be a bit difficult, but remember, repetition is the key. So that is actually going to give you massive results, and I'm going to be so proud of you. You're going to be so proud of yourself once you start actually manifesting something that you've actually affirmed for so long, sometimes years, sometimes months, sometimes even days. You want something so bad, your brain actually makes it happen. Your vibrations, your law of attraction starts working, and you start manifesting things, and you start getting closer to your dreams, and that is an immense amount of happiness I can't explain. Please be aware of the self-talk that you're having. Make affirmations, make different set of affirmations, physical, mental for your physical fitness, for your mental fitness, for your professional life, for your personal life. It might be for each minute sections, have as many as affirmations as detailed as possible, and you're going to live a life that you've never imagined. I cannot wait for that to happen to you. It has changed my life immensely, and I would be more than happy if this affects you, your life, or any of your loved ones' life, even 1%. Affirmations are something so easy to do and so easy to train your brain. We do not understand the importance of mental fitness and the capability that our brain has to make things happen. It is unbelievable. Once you start getting the results, it's going to be an amazing world for you to live in. Make sure to repeat the affirmations whenever possible, and dil se affirmations read karo. Do not try to trick your brain. Your brain is much smarter than you think. Your subconscious mind is directly going to say like ullu bana raha hai. Make sure that your affirmations are coming from your heart. You're believing in your affirmations, and read those affirmations, look at those affirmations, Gilo affirmations. Detailed affirmations on each section of your life you need to write on your own, because we all have an individual journey and individual dreams to achieve, so that you'll have to customize and write on your own. That is it for today. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. So stay tuned and see you soon.